Don't let me get the money they put. Don't put your mask your bag. Nobody boy, I'm out for me to money over there. See more bullets there. You can't go in the hospital. I'm going to get some money, man. I'm going to drink out the blood clot and then come up with people.
What kind of purpose back this year?
Money again.
1 million tied up for this house.
Money again. No, man, the bank no, this is a little bit bigger portion in the everything gone. I mean, master. Everything good. Everything. Man, you didn't give man, man. Let's man say now. How you man? How you can't get again, I'm black.
Yeah, and then we spend money and I
bet you. I mean, if you see you up, nobody can trouble nothing. Nobody can trouble nothing. No, sir, and we don't have to go in.